Hello, today I'm discuss about the free and awesome alternative to the Microsoft Excel. You know that Microsoft Excel is a very popular software, and if you need any calculation and for listing for data store for data, you can use the Microsoft Excel. And Microsoft Excel is a part of the Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is not a free. Microsoft Office is a paid software. You have to pay for use it. But if you use this software with free, how will feel? Now I am discuss about the free software for Microsoft Excel. You can easily use a Microsoft Excel like as Excel in Google Drive. In Google Drive, its name is Google Sheets. Just log in your page and go to the Google Drive and just create a new, and you will see this icon Google Sheets, and just click here and you will uh, enter this page, Google Sheet. In previous, and you can easily rename this file uh, my first Excel file. In previous, I have discussed about the Google Sheet and Google Sheet and uh, Google Doc. In previous lecture, I have lectured Google Talks. Google Talks and Google Sheet function is more than similar. It will also autosave function, and if you click something and in every keyframe, it will automatically saved. And here is so that uh, row and column look like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. Just I'm creating a file, and I have renamed this file name is my first Excel file, and you wanna uh, make a list of some people and their age and their birthday, and make sure this first column is you mention the serial number, uh, and second column name, and this column is written here is, and it's a location. Okay, if you write down here one number serial, and if you just click and just select the entity, just write the name. First name is, and his age is 20, and his location is Newark, and second person, and I'm just trying to make the serial number. Just three. His name is, and it's the 31 location, and you can easily and you can easily uh, work like a Photoshop, insert cell the live, and you can make a column at the left. Just insert this column, insert one column on left side. You can see the blank file which is a need created, and if I can insert a column in the right side, insert, column right. Okay, just see the column E in the right side of the S column, and you can create the one and two, uh, insert a rows in the below. Okay, so the two is goes to down, and you can creating the chart. This is the pie chart, and you can use the value. If you use the value, uh, this will change that, and there's lots of type of curve here. So donut chart, it's the area chart. This is the uh, country wise geo chart, and it's the meter, and also the level. The five. Hold the all of function of Excel is available here. You can just write, make the sum. You can change the text color, font size, and the change the font size, and you can add something, subtract something. One, two in function sum. Okay, this is the, if I change the value, you will see the I will see the changing value. Okay, I'm using the 3. You see there is the 13, and here is the or import. I think you will happy to see this. You can use the software in your mobile phone. You can also use this PC with your browser. Just you need to a Google account, Gmail account. After logging in Gmail account, and you have to go at this icon, and here you see the drive, and after going that this drive, and just click new and click a new sheet, and you will see the new file. After finishing, just you can export. Now I'm showing how to export this file. The, you can uh, easily share with your pers- person, and you can easily download, and you see that there's a lots of options. Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel dot Excel SX file, open dot ODS and dot PDF, and you can also save it as dot HTML file and CSV file, or text separated values TSP file, and you can see also the uh, version history. Okay, I have just written here on this file. If I edit something, if I write something and something, after that, if you check, if you check the version history, uh, okay, my first file. version history is opening. This is the uh, today first uh, 1148, and then current version is. If I switch this version, just restore. I have restored this version. You'll see that total. Okay, restore. At first, my wait some time for this working. Okay, this was my first subversion, and after that I have uh, and you will see that all of the is erases, and we can back to my previous version and easily. This is my previous version. This is the main facilities of the software. Uh, you can easily restore your previous work, or you can back to previous work. Okay, no more today.